how specific can you be about what your during shift cleaning looks like, between shift cleaning? Like, what are you guys doing from where you know there's going to be people that are going to be touching the same doorknobs for the bathroom, doing the same setups and change outs on machines? I mean, even touching the same keyboards for ERP entry. Like, talk to me about what you guys are doing. I'd like to get maybe some details so people can compare notes on what they're doing.
Yeah, well, we have a checklist. I mean, again, I'm not in all the operational details, but I've seen them around. I mean, even my own doorknobs are getting cleaned on both sides, which is great because I'm the only one coming in and out, but I appreciate it. They're not discriminating because they just don't know.
Correct.
So they're getting to every doorknob, every door handle, all of the touch points like our ERP system kiosks on the shop floor, our comparators, right? Shadow graphs, the commonly used gauging and tooling. We have all the bathrooms, the cafeteria and kitchen spaces have all been cleared out of congestion. So chairs and things being moved so that we can minimize the number of people that are in there at any given time.